Little elephant Motu was the biggest animal in the jungle, but he had a soft and a kind heart. He wanted to play with everyone, but the other animals always made fun of him. The monkeys would say, "You are too heavy to run fast." The deer would laugh, "You can't even hide properly." And the rabbit would giggle, "You are too big to be our friend." Motu felt very sad when they teased them, but he still treated everyone kindly. One day, a fierce lion came roaring into the jungle. All the animals got scared and ran away. The monkeys climbed trees, the rabbits hid in their burrows, and the deer ran to the river. But the lion was ready to catch them. Just then, Motu stepped forward. He lifted his big trunk and made a loud sound. He stomped his foot on the ground, making everything shake. The lion got scared but still didn't back away. As the lion moved forward, Motu filled his trunk with water and splashed it all over him. The lion got frightened and ran away. All the animals were amazed. The monkeys, deer, and the rabbits ran to Motu and said, "We made fun of you, but today you saved us." Motu smiled and said, "Friendship is not about size, it's about the heart."